Good evening, followers, and welcome to a Townsville Storm Watch and surrounding districts cyclone update, the first ever done here on your page, Townsville Storm Watch and surrounding districts. Tonight we're having a look at tropical cyclone Alessia. So let's see what it's looking like at the moment. So as you can see in this picture here, courtesy of Weather Zone, that we have a lot of convection and a lot of cloud swirling happening up here in the Gulf region at the moment. Alessia has tightened up quite a little bit to what was expected, and so that's why we have all this convergence and cloud swirling at the moment. So let's have a quicker look, and we can see that that cloud swirling there is quite prominent there around the Borroloola area. It looks as if the center is still just sitting off the coast there near Borroloola on the Queensland and Northern Territory border, but we have all this cloud that is streaming out across the northern part of Queensland, across Ingham, Townsville, Charters Towers, and Normington. Now that cloud band is reported to have some storm activity into it, and so we'll just wait to see whether we have any storm advice given for that region. Now, if we have a look at the forecast tracking map that was put out by the Bureau of Meteorology at 6 o'clock tonight, we can see that at 10 o'clock this morning, tropical cyclone Alessia was still only categorized as a low pressure system. At 4 p.m. this afternoon, it was upgraded to a Category 1 system. Now, it's going to continue in a southeasterly direction at least for the next couple of days. And then, at 4 a.m. November the 30th, we have it sitting here just off Mornington Island over in the Queensland, and then by 4 p.m. November the 30th, it is expected to be once again downgraded back into a low pressure system. So what the Bureau are saying at the moment is that a cyclone warning is now current for coastal areas from Port Roper in the Northern Territory to Corumba in Queensland, including Mornington Island. Now at 3:30 p.m, tropical cyclone Alessia was located near the coast about 140 kilometers east of Borroloola and 185 kilometers northwest of Mornington Island. The cyclone is moving east-southeast at 11 kilometers per hour, parallel to the coast. Now, if you're in this warning area, gales with gusts to 110 kilometers per hour are currently being experienced along the Northern Territory coast between Port MacArthur and the Queensland border. Gales are expected to extend east to Mornington Island in Queensland tonight, and possibly further to Corumba early on Thursday. Abnormally high tides could cause minor flooding on the southern Gulf of Carpentaria coast between Port MacArthur and Corumba tonight and tomorrow. So, folks, this is, whilst it's not a big system, it still can punch a little bit of oomph, especially with those winds and the abnormally high tides. So we do ask that you continue to stay tuned to the Bureau of Meteorology for all the latest on this system, and that you do please put into action your cyclone plan, and that you keep safe. And we here at Townsville Stormwatch and surrounding districts will keep you updated with all the latest warnings and cyclone forecast tracking maps right throughout the evening. We'll do another update tomorrow night and let you know where Tropical Cyclone Alessia is at that time. Thanks for watching.